In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the coaching settings in MacroFactor. So if you have, first of all, the application downloaded, that's good. If not, just go and download this from whichever store that you have in your phone. Other than that, make sure that you're logged in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't, go and create a new account. Of course, the application is paid, so you'll have to pay for a plan, or you can get a 7 days free trial if it's your first time, but it's not going to be completely free, it's for $1. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself in a dashboard like here. Now how to adjust the coaching settings. You'll need to go in the strategy tab, as you can see at the bottom right. In here, you'll find yourself in the strategy tab. What you'll need to do is simply go and start a new program if you want to, but for us, we want just to adjust. So to adjust, I can go here and click on edit program. Once I click on edit program, I'll be able, as you can see, to edit the coached program or adjust it. Of course, I'll be able to start a new program if I want to, but for me, I'm just going to adjust it. And here, you'll be able to adjust it however you want. An example, maybe you choose balance, now you want low fat, maybe you want low carbs and stuff. Again here, which calorie floor do you prefer? So maybe you want low now this time, not standard. It's totally up to you to adjust it however you want. For me, I'm just going to answer randomly, but for you, just answer the questions and adjust it however it suits you. So example, what training will you do during this program? So lifting, cardio lifting, and none, totally up to you. And how would you like to distribute calories throughout the week? So do you want it to be distributed evenly or shift calories distribution? As example, it will increase calorie targets on specific days or reduce it. Totally up to you again. And here's an example, what is your preferred protein intake? Just answer however you want, click on next, and they will adjust the program depending on whatever the new answers that you enter. If you go here to the dashboard, you'll find example, the calories intake it will change as example, and what's remaining. The same will be for protein, fats, and carbs. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.